When an off-grid solar system fails catastrophically, the origin point is rarely a defective battery cell or a blown inverter board. Installers will spend thousands of dollars optimizing lithium chemistry and calculating exact cable thicknesses, while entirely ignoring the microscopic gap between the cable lug and the battery terminal. A battery terminal connection serves two absolute functions. It has to physically lock the hardware in place to withstand vibration, but more importantly, it must guarantee seamless electrical continuity. There is a pervasive habit in the industry to rely entirely on feel. An installer tightens a bolt until it seems snug and assumes the connection is safe. But electrical current does not respond to physical tightness. It responds strictly to electrical resistance. The torque applied to that bolt is an exact electrical engineering parameter. It is the invisible variable that dictates whether a high-current system operates safely for decades or spirals into thermal runaway. To understand why, we have to scale down from the battery bank level and look directly at the interface where two solid conductors meet. This animated diagram shows a microscopic cross-section of two metal plates touching. To an electron, a seemingly smooth copper lug is a jagged landscape. The surfaces are covered in microscopic asperities, mountain-like peaks that initially make contact at only a few scattered points. The true function of mechanical torque is to generate immense clamping force. That pressure physically crushes those jagged metal peaks together, widening the physical areas of contact. This physical deformation creates a much larger effective pathway for electrons to travel across the gap between the lug and the terminal. This establishes the baseline rule of terminal physics. Higher contact area directly equals lower electrical resistance. In modern high-current DC setups, especially large lithium iron phosphate banks, massive amounts of energy must force their way across these microscopic bridges. The physical act of turning a torque wrench is the process of artificially multiplying that atomic surface area to build a safe bridge for the current. This diagram shows the specific mathematical formula that governs thermal danger in electrical connections. Power dissipation equals current squared multiplied by resistance. The terrifying implication here lies in the squared variable. Heat scales exponentially with current, not linearly. Doubling the current flowing through a connection quadruples the heat it generates. Consider a modern solar battery setup, which can easily push 200 amps of current during heavy inverter loads. Let's assume the resistance of a perfectly torqued terminal connection is 1 milliohm. Walking through the calculation, we find this optimal connection continuously dissipates 40 watts of heat, comparable to the thermal output of a standard soldering iron. 40 watts of thermal energy concentrated entirely inside a single metal bolt requires the surrounding cable and battery post to act as a heat sink to manage the temperature. Because every flawlessly installed high-current terminal already functions as a small heater under heavy load, the margin for error before thermal overload is practically zero. Now introduce the variables of degradation. Over time, physical vibration, thermal cycling, or an initially under-tightened bolt causes that clamping force to drop slightly. As clamping force drops, microscopic contact area shrinks, driving electrical resistance up to 3 milliohms. Recalculating with this elevated resistance shows heat output instantly triples, reaching 120 watts. 120 watts concentrated in a single lug causes immediate localized damage. The surrounding cable insulation melts, and exposed metal surfaces quickly oxidize. This triggers a thermal runaway loop. Oxidation physically degrades the metals, further reducing contact area and creating even more heat. To the naked eye, the cable and bolt look completely unchanged and secure, but internally, the joint has become an active, escalating fire hazard. To prevent a loose terminal, many installers lean into a deeply ingrained yet dangerous professional instinct, the belief that tighter is always better. Every piece of metal hardware has a strictly defined limit for rotational force before the mechanical structure begins to fail. When torque limits are exceeded, mechanical deformations occur. The threads stretch upward, and flat bus bars bow in the center under extreme pressure. This invisible electrical consequence physically lifts the outer edges of the metal away from the terminal. This loss of edge contact severely shrinks the total electrical surface area connecting the components. Reduced surface area means increased resistance, And as the math proves, increased resistance guarantees exponential heat generation under load. In the attempt to eliminate resistance through maximum brute force, the installer mechanically deforms the metal and essentially guarantees a thermal hotspot. A manufacturer's published torque specification is not an arbitrary suggestion for how tight a bolt should feel. It is the exact calculated intersection where contact pressure is maximized for optimal electrical flow, while mechanical declination remains at absolutely zero. Technicians can diagnose failing terminals before they reach critical temperatures by performing voltage drop testing across a connection while the system is under heavy load. But the ultimate diagnostic tool for high-current DC systems is the thermal camera, which allows an installer to literally see microscopic resistance in real time. Under load, a properly torqued system will show uniformly distributed temperatures across all connections. A high-resistance joint will clearly glow as an isolated hotspot. Guessing terminal tightness introduces invisible, uncontrolled variables into a system that demands absolute precision, making diagnostic tools and strict adherence to specifications mandatory. This thermal math applies to absolutely every junction in the circuit. Battery terminals, parallel jumpers, DC disconnect switches, and inverter inputs all follow the same physical laws. Modern battery systems can dump massive fault currents into a short circuit, and the DC arcs caused by warped, failing connections do not self-extinguish easily. The chain reaction is absolute. Torque dictates surface area controls resistance, and resistance commands exponential heat. You can never simply guess connection quality by feel. You must prioritize the microscopic physics over macroscopic assumptions. A calibrated torque wrench is the only tool capable of translating safe mechanical clamping force into long-term electrical survival.